Hi there, students. Etiquette. Etiquette. Okay, etiquette are the customs, the social rules that control what is accepted behavior in different social groups, in various different social situations. So etiquette, for example, being polite, etiquette would be for a man to open a door for a woman. Or social etiquette might say that a man cannot sit down while there are women standing. But then again, this could be defined as sexist. Yeah, I'll open the door for her. That'll show respect for her. Maybe better not. Maybe she'll accuse me of being sexist for doing it. I don't know. So, etiquette. It's the customary code, polite behaviour among people of a group, or the etiquette in a particular profession. They're the protocols. It's what's considered good manners. Yeah? The etiquette of dining. Which fork and which knife and which spoon do I use for this souffle? Yeah? It's the list of ceremonial observances. Let's see, etiquette in court. What do I call the king? Oi, you, big ears! No. His Royal Highness the... Okay, etiquette. What is accepted? Let's see. I think etiquette, the rules for behaviour. I think etiquette, maybe when it starts, is a good idea. Yeah, it's there for a reason, to stop people from getting upset. The problem is etiquette then continues within society long after it's no longer of use. And what we really need is somebody who says what is good etiquette and what is an etiquette that is no longer of any use. So etiquette, if you see an old person standing in the underground, yeah, in the metro, you should stand up and give them your chair, your seat. That's good etiquette, and that's logical because they're tired. They're probably tired. They probably don't feel very well. Yeah, and that's a good thing. But then the rules of diplomatic etiquette, and that you need to call a bishop your highness, your sereneness, that's ridiculous. Yeah. So I think if etiquette is appropriate to a situation, I think it's a good thing. Yeah. But if it's no longer valid, then etiquette is something from the past. I think in the 18th and 19th century, etiquette within society was ferocious, and there were millions of things you could and couldn't do. Yeah, and that, I suppose it defined society. I think a lot of etiquette has disappeared or is disappearing. There is etiquette in business as well. Yeah, how you should behave in particular business or professional situations. Yeah, etiquette. Laugh at the boss's jokes. Yeah, but what if they're not funny? Laugh. Okay. You've also got some other good words. You've got netiquette. Yeah, netiquette, the way to behave when you're in internet, what you should and shouldn't do. Chatiquette, yeah, what you should or shouldn't do while in a chat in internet. Jetiquette, yeah, the things, the do's and do nots when traveling on an aeroplane. Okay, so this etiquette, yeah, it's what is customary, yeah, what is the observance of rank, yeah, the observance of occasion, Yeah, showing deference to people who are more important than you. Nobody's more important than me. Yeah, conventional decorum. Yeah, it shows you're well educated. You're a good, polite person. I don't know. I think this question of etiquette is a very different thing. Notice etiquette is different within different groups. Etiquette is different within different societies as well. Just one tiny aside. You know this little sticker that you can put on a letter to say it's airmail? That is also, believe it or not, called an etiquette. Yeah, but nobody sends letters anymore anyway. Okay, so etiquette. Formality, etiquette. A 6 in formality. Use it. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, formal writing, informally. I'd say good form, the right thing to do. Let's see, the origin comes from French. Yeah, a little piece of paper marking something. From Frankish, stekan, to stick or to sting. Sting. Proto-Germanic, stikana, to be sharp, to pierce, to prick. Yeah, Proto-Indo-European, stag, to stab or to be sharp. Anyway, so etiquette, yeah. The etiquette is now for you to give me a rating. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Etiquette.